everyone, welcome to FunCraft Kidos. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below for more videos like this. And Minecraft and arts and crafts and drawing and more. This video idea was given to us by a friend.
Yes!
Sucks. Mr. Sucks.
For the idea.
Today you'll learn how to make a rainbow. Not just a normal rainbow, a rainbow
Which can stand.
Yeah, and you can put on your side table or as a decoration.
So the things you'll need is a red marker, orange marker, a yellow marker.
No,
green
not a marker,
a
bro.
blue marker, a purple marker, and a yellow marker, and some scissors.
Bro.
And glue.
Not markers, you
Yes,
could use
markers.
anything.
Yeah, markers are more efficient.
Yeah, well, you could use other things. You also need a plate and a bowl. Make sure the plate is bigger than the bowl. Last thing we forgot to say was you need a piece of cardboard. If your cardboard isn't white like ours, then you have to use a piece of paper and paste it on top of cardboard.
Or you can just use the white pencil.
That is very hard.
Or a white marker.
Do not use that. Don't listen to him. We are using our mom's shoebox.
Like the chorus!
So, take your plate and put it on cardboard. Bro, put yours also. Good. And make a nice
Half circle.
semicircle, I was gonna
Half
say.
circle.
Tracing. Okay, my plate is traced. Let's see how it is. Pretty good. Try not to move the plate while you're tracing.
That'll cause severe head injury.
You cause severe head injury. Now take a bowl for the inner semicircle of the rainbow. Bro, that's too high. It has to be like very, very low.
It's very, very low.
Then trace this. Good. Bro, the distance between this side and this side should be the same. Yours, this one is less.
This one is more and that one is less.
No, almost equal. By the way, it's actually almost the same. Yours, you could even tell. You can fix that.
We rebuild it. Hip hip hooray!
Now let's just cut it out.
Be careful, scissors are really sharp. If you're under 7, make sure you have an adult supervision.
Fun fact, scissors are made out of stainless steel. Stainless.
So they don't get stains because they're steel. Boom.
That's not a joke, bro.
It's not supposed to be. Guys, there was a stray cat in our backyard. It looked perfect.
To survive when you use scissors on cardboard, it's so hard. 1 hour later.
Dun dun!
Bro, so after you're done cutting the rainbow that looks like a semicircle, start adding the lines in it.
I'm not done. Where are
I'm
you
just-
going on without me?
I'm gonna have a 5-lined rainbow, like 5-colored rainbow, because I don't have enough space to add 7, so I'm gonna have 2 less.
If you have a compass, then you can use that. We don't have any compass.
So we're using our hands to draw the half circles. Now I'm gonna start coloring in. Bro, magic! Okay guys, we are done making the rainbow. Now it's time for the clouds.
Cloudy wowdy. Yay. I like how you wiggle.
Do you have white cardboard? You can make your own cloud. To make the eyes, you make a circle. Inside the circle, make a big circle and then a smaller circle. Then on the bottom, make a line, and it's under the line in the little space, make a few smaller lines, and then color it in. it for the rainbow.
It's called a road. It's called a rainbow road.
Next, make a really big. And you choose a color of his eyes. After making the clouds, you paste the clouds on the bottom of the rainbow, like over here. So, glue, glue, glue. Now, paste the other on the other side. Or if it's too difficult for you, like I'm struggling, you could use hot glue.
Look at it, it's super cool.
After this, we said you could put it as a decoration, but it won't stand. How can the decoration not stand? Now you have to make it stand.
My course!
So the half circle we cut from the rainbow, we will use it to make the stand for this rainbow. Cut it into half and flip your rainbow. Use hot glue. Glue it on the side you cut, like when it was one piece. Be careful because hot glue could burn you. I call glue strings. Instead of cheese strings, glue strings. Yum, cheese
You
strings.
cut from one side and paste it gently.
You have to put it at the edge of the rainbow, like where it's been cut. Here, right here. So the end of this should be at the edge of the rainbow. You just take my hot glue and dangerous. Do the exact same thing with the other side. It could be anywhere, like close to this side or this side, but it's better it stays in the middle or close to the middle. Let's see if it stands. Dun, dun. It's standing on its own. And that is how you make a decoration rainbow. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below for more videos like